Hello everyone, my name is Vageshwar Yadav and I am going to present you a simple web scraping tool, SkipFish. SkipFish is an active application which is used for security strategies. It produces an interactive sitemap for targeted site by carrying out a recursive crawl and dictionary based probe. The final report generated is done by using various security check, which is used as a foundation for professional web application security assessment. It comes pre-installed in Kali Linux, however, one can install it on Windows and Mac as well. So let's proceed with the installation part. In order to install SkipFish, we have to open browser and proceed for Google Code Archives. Under Downloads tab, you can find various versions for Skip2. You can download it and extract it. Once you have extracted, to check whether the installation is correctly done, open terminal and type SkipFish-Edge. It shows various options available in the SkipFish, which includes access options, crawl scope options, which defines type of scraping used, reporting options, dictionary options, and performance and other settings. So let's try to scrap a website. So we'll proceed by changing our directory to desktop by typing the command cd desktop. Now we are going to use a simple SkipFish command, SkipFish-O, which specifies the output file's path. In our case, it will be KIT, followed by the name of the website, which is http://www.kitcoek.in. Once we have typed the command, press enter. We'll see 4 options specifying what we can do during crawling. Press any key to continue. Now we can see that the SkipFishing tool has started, and we can see various things like scan and database statistics. The scan statistics shows the current execution, and the database statistics shows the stored information. So current information includes the type, current HTTP request processing, faults or errors occurred, and the database information shows the issues stored inside the database or the file. We can press space and see what are the current site being processed. It shows 15 sites at a time. Pressing space again takes back us to the previous screen. So this scrapping takes time. We'll skip the video. After 5 minutes, over 700 issues have been found. We'll stop the crawling by pressing Ctrl C, and we can see that the file statistics is stored inside index.html in KIT folder. We'll open the KIT folder, search for index.html and open that file. Inside index.html, we can see various information related to the web scraping, which includes the time, which is 5 minutes and 8 seconds. We see a various summary about this thing. We see an external risk factors of various pages. We see types of documents available inside this website. We also see the overview about the issues, which includes over 81 high risks of external content embedded on a page. You can see each of these external contents one by one. There are over 81 contents issues of higher risk we found in 5 minutes. We have also found 3 lower risk of external content embedded on a page. There are other various security issues like nodes and SSL certificates. One can also open the HTTP request and response traces, and this thing can be used by various professionals in security assessment.